Origin present a new pharmaceutical packaging supply chain model, HP3, your hybrid pharma packaging partner. We have created a full-cycle packaging model, insourcing these activities through one partner organization from concept to commercial, delivering technical drawing, through to manufacturing the final product and combining our dedicated elements of packaging development, manufacturing and flexible supply chain management. Working globally with pharmaceutical and healthcare markets, bringing health home. We have dedicated design, manufacturing and logistics sites, including our UK cleanroom manufacturing facility and multiple regional hubs. Our expertise in pharmaceutical packaging development allows us to create innovative product designs, compliant child-resistant solutions, and address specific technical challenges such as product migration. Our all-in-one service, from packaging development to commercial manufacture, delivers industry-leading speed to market for our clients and partners. The Origin HP3 process allows a new dimension in flexibility, supply chain contingency and spread of risk, to design, manufacture and distribute with one packaging partner organization anywhere in the world, and removes manufacturing constraints, providing unlimited access to approved production sites encompassing all production techniques, meeting and exceeding market regulation across different territories and consolidating your supply chain. Major pharmaceutical brand owners are already benefiting through the use of HP3 supply chain consolidation, improving their profitability, assurance of continuity and overall efficiency of supply, and creating a simple two-way supply chain between Origin and the CMO. Origin's HP3 model encompasses robust supply chain management, which streamlines and simplifies supply and logistics activities, delivering major benefits for pharma and healthcare companies, driving design and innovation, manufacturing and supply chain management. HP3 adapts to any business formation and size in an industry that evolves every day. Origin, bringing health home.